Today we're going to talk about how to solve quadratics by completing the square. So other names for solutions are roots, zeros, and x-intercepts. So what we're going to do first is try to move the constant to the right side. We're going to divide by the number in front of x squared because we want to get rid of the a coefficient. And then what we need to do is find the number to complete the square. And we're going to do that by finding b over 2 squared. We're going to factor it, and then we're going to solve it by square roots. So on this first one, our constant is already on the other side. There's no number in front of x squared. So we're going to find the number to complete the square, which is b over 2 squared. So we do negative 16 over 2 squared, which is negative 8 squared, which gives us 64. And what we're going to do is add that to both sides of our equation. We're going to add that. Remember, you're allowed to add the same thing to both sides of the equation as long as you keep it balanced. Now we're going to factor. So we're finding the factors of 64 that add up to negative 16, which would be negative 8 and negative 8. So x minus 8 and x minus 8. And then we add this other side and we get 1. So we combine these into x minus 8 squared. And then we're going to solve by square roots. So we square root both sides. X minus 8 equals positive or negative 1. So x minus 8 equals 1. X minus 8 equals negative 1. So we add 8. X equals 9. Add 8. X equals 7. And those are our two x-intercepts. All right, on our second one, we're going to add our constant to the other side first. I'm going to leave a space for my, when I complete the square. So I'm going to divide my b by 2 and square it. So I get negative 4 squared is 16. We're going to add 16 to both sides. And then we're going to factor. The factors of 16 that add up to negative 8 are negative 4 and negative 4. It's always going to be that number right there. So x minus 4 and x minus 4. And then we add 68 plus 16. We get 84. So we rewrite this as x minus 4 squared equals 84. And we're going to solve by square root. So we square root both sides. And we get x minus 4. And 84 is a perfect square, or is not a perfect square. So we need to simplify it. So we're going to find the biggest perfect square that goes into 84. And that is 4. And so when we, remember, this is still plus or minus. So we're going to take our perfect square out. So we get x minus 4 equals positive or negative 2 square root of 21. And then we're going to get x by itself by adding 4. Remember, these are not like terms, so we can't add them together. So we just write 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 21. All right, number 3, we're going to add our constant to the other side. Right, and then we're going to divide, since this one has a number out front, we're going to divide everything by 3. So again, you're allowed to divide by something as long as you divide everything by that thing. So we end up with b squared plus 4b equals 5. So we're going to take our new b over 2 squared. So we get 2 squared, which is 4. So we're going to add 4 and add 4. And we factor. Factors of 4 that add to 4 are 2 and 2. We have x plus 2 squared equals 9. We're going to square root both sides. So x plus 2 equals positive or negative 3. So x plus 2 equals 3. X plus 2 equals negative 3. So we subtract 2. So x equals 1, and x equals negative 5.